To make a booking on Roomex, all you have to do is log into your custom platform. You'll land on your personalised search page, pre-populated with your top locations and hotels, and from there you can search for accommodation by location, hotel name, travel dates and number of rooms. So let's make a booking for 2 nights in central Leeds. We're going to check in on the 5th of October and we're only looking for 1 room for 1 adult. And now we wait. Roomex is searching for the best available rates from dozens of suppliers, like Booking.com, Expedia, Hotel Beds, as well as our exclusive rates and your company rates if you have some. You'll see a variety of results here, some with orange tags indicating they're a rate you won't find anywhere else, and some with green tags noting they are discounted through our Saver Plus program, as well as your company rates which will feature your company logo. You'll also be able to see what hotels are out of your travel policy on this page. Over here on the left, you have the ability to narrow your search further by using different filters, such as free cancellation and secure parking. These are to help you prepare for last minute changes and keep the tools in your van safe overnight. For this booking, I'm going to select the free cancellation filter. When you've chosen your property, click onto it, choose your room and click Book Now. Once the final price has been locked in, you'll be taken to the guest details page. From here you can select if you're booking for yourself or on the behalf of another traveller, as well as make any special requests. Next, choose your payment method and add a Roomex Pay virtual card to the stay to prepay for dinner at the hotel, or from a delivery app, or even pay for hotel Wi-Fi and parking. This step is optional, but popular amongst bookers, especially after the pandemic. Finally, add a company or project cost or reporting code to make reconciliation easier, letting you view your spend breakdown in Roomex Analytics. And now you're all set. You've booked your first stay. Once your booking has been completed, you will receive a booking confirmation email with all the trip details from Roomex. If there are any problems with your booking, don't hesitate to reach out to your account manager or our live support team at priority@roomex.com. And all that's left is for you to make your next booking.